Greetings, culinary explorers! Prepare for a taste bud tantalizing venture into the heart of South Korea's vibrant food scene. This gastronomic journey will lead you to the discovery of the top 5 foods that are nothing short of a revelation in the world of South Korean cuisine. First on the menu is the illustrious kimchi. This dish, a symphony of fermented cabbage and a medley of spices, holds an irreplaceable spot in the Korean food landscape. Kimchi is not just a delight to the palate, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. It's a source of probiotics that boost digestion, and it's also a low-calorie, high-fiber food. Secondly, we introduce you to bibimbap. This dish paints a rainbow of flavors on your plate. Imagine a warm bowl of rice, crowned with an array of sautéed and seasoned vegetables, a hint of chili pepper paste, often accompanied by a raw or fried egg and a few slices of meat. The third culinary delight is samgyeopsal. This is a dish that meat enthusiasts will relish. Thick, fatty slices of pork belly are grilled right at your table, ready to be dipped in seasoning and snugly wrapped in lettuce leaves. On the fourth spot, we have tteokbokki. This popular street food is a feast of spicy stir-fried rice cakes. These cakes, soft and chewy, are generously coated in a sauce that strikes a perfect balance between sweet and spicy. Finally, for the sweet finale, we present hotteok. This sweet pancake, filled with a heartwarming mixture of cinnamon, honey, and nuts, will be the perfect closing act for your Korean food adventure. So, there you have it, the top 5 foods that define the essence of South Korean cuisine. Each of these dishes offers a unique flavor profile that mirrors the country's rich and diverse food culture. When you find yourself in South Korea, make sure you give these dishes a try. If this video tickled your taste buds, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow food lovers, and subscribe to our channel for our mission in South Korea. Also, do drop a comment about what other aspects of South Korean culture you'd like to explore. Until our next food adventure, here's wishing you happy eating.